Good morning, everyone. In a, Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. In a previous class, we have started with the civics lesson number 1, the Indian Constitution, and it was made clear that what do you mean by Constitution? What do you mean by the word Constitution? Now, anybody can give me the meaning of Constitution? What do you mean by
The rules of India. Rules.
The rules of
rules?
India.
A set of rules and regulations, है ना? And our Indian Constitution, the Constitution means the rules and regulations, and they are in the written form. Yes or no? Rules and regulations are in the written
Written
form.
form.
Written form.
Now we have also read about the importance of the Constitution. Certain ideals or certain principles forms the basis of the kind of country as we citizens want to live in, and that forms the importance for the constitution. So the first and foremost thing why we need a constitution is because it forms certain ideals or principle which is the basis of the kind of country we citizens desire. Aspire means desire or wish to live in. Next, we have understood about Nepal. Football game also we have understood means each and every we can
Yes,
say
ma'am.
thing has its own rules and regulations. Then about the country Nepal, we have understood about that Nepal was a country. Nepal is a country where in the north of India. And recently, what has been done to Nepal? Nepal has established a democracy in 2006. Previously, Nepal was having which type of government? Before 2006, which type of government was present in Nepal? Hello?
Ma'am, king.
King.
Yes, rule of a king. That means monarchy was there.
Monarchy.
Monarchy was there. King Gyanendra, we have seen that King Gyanendra was the ruler. He was having the power in his hands, and with the help of the citizens, with the means people's movement only, Nepal had fought several for several decades, and finally it had attained democracy in 2006. Then a second important purpose of the constitution is to define the nature of the country's political system. Now, second important purpose is the nature of the country's political system. What type of political system, what type of administration, or what type of government the country should have. For example, Nepal's earlier constitution stated that the country was to be ruled by the king. Now, when king was the ruler in Nepal, at that time also constitution was there, but the final power was with whom? The final power was with the king. King only used to decide everything. But after the uh, after Nepal had attained a democratic form of government, it has made new constitution again, and according to that, got adopted a new constitution for the country in 2015. Nepal's earlier constitution stated that country was to be ruled by the king and his officials of the ministers. पहले जब डेमोक्रेसी नहीं था, रूल ऑफ किंग था नेपाल में, तो क्या था रूल ऑफ किंग में? The king's and his ministers' decision was the final decision. In the countries that have adopted a democratic form of government or polity, the constitution plays a crucial role in laying out certain important guidelines. Now, the countries which have uh, the democratic form of government, the country which have the democratic form of government, in that type of country, what happens? It is necessary that what type of government or what type of administration should be there of that country, it is decided by the constitution. Means everything is written in the guidelines of the constitution, how the government should take the decisions for the country, and the govern and that govern decision making within the these societies. That means the constitution plays a crucial role. Crucial role means very important role in laying out certain important guidelines. Some important guidelines. Guidelines are there for the government, whichever government is there in the power in the country. Then what that country, what type of decisions that country should take, that all has been uh, guided by the constitution. That government has been guided by the constitution. Constitution के द्वारा ही guidance के according the king rules. Sorry, the
मैम भावेश
government
जी
rules.
प्रेजेंट आया
Hello.
मैम भावेश जी को प्रेजेंट आया
हाँ, yes, Bhavesh. In a democracy, we choose our leaders so that they can exercise power. Now, in a democracy, we choose our leaders, as you are well aware about the democratic form of government. We choose our leaders. How we choose our leaders? कैसे हम choose करते हैं leaders को?
By voting.
Very good. By voting through universal adult franchise. Everybody has right to vote. The same way, we choose our leaders so that they can exercise power, responsibility on our behalf. So as we choose our government, so that government, whatever we have chosen, it will rule according to our decisions only, according to our benefits only. It will fulfill our needs only. Then however, there is always a possibility that leaders misuse their authority, and the constitution usually provides safeguards against this. Now, constitution, another role of constitution is to provide the safeguard. To provide safeguard means हमारे को protect करता है कि कोई leader, if we have chosen the leader, might be that leader can misuse the authority. जब वो power में आ गया, उसको power मिल गया, हमने चूज कर लिया अपना रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, और जब उसने गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म कर ली, वो पावर में आ गया, तो माइट बी पॉसिबल दैट लीडर कैन मिसयूज देयर अथॉरिटी. वो लीडर्स जो चूज करा है हमने, वो अपनी अथॉरिटी को मिसयूज करे, हमारे जैसा हम चाहते हैं वैसा वो काम ना करे. एंड टू प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम ऑल दिस मिसलीड्स, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोटेक्ट अस. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमें इस सब बातों से बचाता है ताकि कोई भी लीडर अपनी अथॉरिटी को मिसयूज नहीं करे, गलत इस्तेमाल नहीं करे. This misuse of authority can result in gross injustice, as demonstrated in the classroom situation below. Now, this misuse of authority, अगर कोई लीडर अपनी अथॉरिटी का, अपनी पावर, अथॉरिटी मीन्स पावर का मिसयूज करता है, तो इससे क्या होता है? इट विल बी ग्रेट इनजस्टिस. बहुत ज्यादा इनजस्टिस हो जाएगा. इनजस्टिस मीन्स लोगों के साथ they will not be they will not give justice to the people. इक्वालिटी नहीं दिया जा सकता है, लोगों के साथ जस्टिस नहीं कर सकते हैं अगर लीडर्स अपनी अथॉरिटी का, अपनी पावर का मिसयूज करते हैं, तो इनजस्टिस फैल जाएगा. इनजस्टिस मीन्स मिसमैनेजमेंट. एक तरीके से वी कैन से दैट great mismanagement, dismanagement can be there in the country. Now, this can be well understood by the example given below. Suresh is a class monitor. Who is a class monitor? Suresh is a class monitor here. He is a bully. He is a bully means he is a bully. मीन्स मजाक, हर समय मजाक करता रहता है. हिज क्लासमेट्स आर नॉट टू फाउंड ऑफ हिम. उसकी क्लासमेट्स भी उसको पसंद नहीं करते. नॉट टू फाउंड ऑफ हिम मीन्स उसकी क्लासमेट्स भी उसको पसंद नहीं करते. मिसेज राव, द क्लास टीचर, हैज टू लीव द क्लासरूम ऑन सम अर्जेंट वर्क. शी आस्क्ड सुरेश टू माइंड द क्लास. सुरेश स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग ऑन अनिल. अब वो क्या करता है कि Mrs. Rao is a class teacher. For some or the other reason, class teacher has to leave the classroom, and she asked Suresh to take care of the class because Suresh is the monitor. So Suresh starts speaking on Anil. Suresh starts speaking on Anil means वो अनिल से अब मजाक करने लगता है. Anil, today I am going to report you to Mrs. Rao. Now Suresh is telling कि आज मैं आपकी Mrs. Rao से शिकायत करूंगा. But what have I done? वो ऐसी मजाक में उसको, मतलब just taking for Anil for granted. वो बोल रहा है कि ठीक है मैं आज आपकी शिकायत करूंगा मिसेस राव से, तो वो अनिल बोल रहा है कि व्हाट आई हैव डन. Then when Mrs. Rao returns to class, जब Mrs. Rao क्लास में रिटर्न होती है तो क्या हुआ, मैम while you were awake Anil kept talking loudly and disturbing the class. अब उसने क्या बोला सुरेश ने कि when you were out, when madam was out, class teacher was out, Anil was talking loudly and disturbing the class. This is the what, misusing of the power of the class monitor, कि वो झूठा इल्जाम लगा रहा है, he would not listen to me. अब now more further he is telling, सुरेश is telling कि वो उसकी बातें सुन भी नहीं रहा था. Anil, you will have to stay back after school today and write I will not disobey the class monitor 100 times. Now this is the punishment Anil is getting by the class teacher just because Suresh has given the wrong report to class teacher. Suresh ne, as a monitor, Suresh has given a wrong report to class teacher, and due to this wrong report, Anil is getting the punishment without any. Now
Reason.
he is innocent without any doing wrong thing. Also, Anil is getting punishment. But ma'am, I did not do anything. Anil is again and again repeating that he has not done anything. Now in this case, we see that this is the what, injustice done to Anil. Injustice done by authority who is in the power. Just now, after the teacher who is in the power, the class monitor, he has taken the wrong, means he has given the wrong report to class teacher. That means he has misused his power. है ना? In democracy societies, the same way happens in country also. If we choose a leader और वो leader proper work नहीं करता according to our opinions, if that leader does not decide or take correct decisions in the favor of the people, then that means the leaders are misusing their power. In democratic societies, the constitution often lays down rules that guard against this misuse of authority by our political leaders. And in a democratic society, a country in which a democratic form of government is there, in that country, the constitution protects us. Protects us means protects the citizens. Against whom? Against the misuse of the authority by the political leaders. इस टाइप की जो misuse होता है authority का, उससे हमें constitution बचाता है. How constitution protect us from this misuse of the authority? Because clear guidelines are there, written in the constitution, mentioned in the constitution, on which the leaders have to follow. The leaders which are forming the government, they have to follow the rules and regulations which are guided in the constitution or noted down in the constitution. So in the case of Indian constitution, about which you will read more later in this chapter, many of these laws are contained in section on fundamental rights. Now many of these uh, rules and regulations are written in a section of fundamental rights, means we as a citizen have been provided with few fundamental rights also, जो हमारे को अधिकार, fundamental rights means हमारे को मूल अधिकार प्राप्त हैं from the country itself. If we are citizen of a country in a democratic form of country, fundamental rights have been granted to us by the government. Now, do you recall the chapter on Dalit writer Om Prakash Valmiki experience in school from your class 7th book? Now, do you remember Om Prakash Valmiki of class 7th book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Who
Ma'am,
was
ma'am.
he
he?
is a
Who was he? Who was
Dalit.
Yes, Dalit student, है ना? He used to
Yes.
sit down on the floor when the class was going on. Rest other students used to sit on the chairs and all. And
Then
after the school also, he used to remain in the school and was there to wipe the school, to clean the school and all. Playground वगैरह सब साफ करता था, है ना? दलित वाल्मीकि, ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि. So in that chapter, we talked about discrimination. In that chapter, what we have talked about the discrimination. Discrimination means
भेदभाव.
asamanta, है ना? Asamanta
Yes.
means where people were
Vedba.
not treated equally. People were not treated equally. That class in Om Prakash Valmiki. So you read about how the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to equality to all persons, say that no citizens can be discriminated against on the grounds of religion. So the citizens in a democratic form of government, according to our constitution, no citizen can be discriminated against on the grounds of religion, race, caste, gender, place of birth. Means किसी को भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं हो सकता, असमानता का अधिकार नहीं मिलेगा, किसी को भी अलग नहीं माना जाएगा. एवरीबडी इज ट्रीटेड इक्वली, सभी एक रूप से एक समान है, किसी को किसी तरीके का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन फेस नहीं करना पड़ेगा. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मीन्स एक तरीके से क्या होगा? डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मीन्स भेदभाव. वेरी गुड. भेदभाव, किसी तरीके का भेदभाव उनको नहीं हमें फेस करना पड़ेगा. और किसके बेसिस पे? रिलीजन, कोई भी कास्ट, जेंडर, प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ, कहीं भी कुछ भी कोई भी बिलोंग करता है, यू विल नॉट बी ट्रीटेड unequally. You will be all treated equally whether you belong to any religion, any race, caste, gender or place of birth. So you will not be discriminated. किसी तरह का भेदभाव आपको नहीं होगा if you are in a democratic form of government where the constitution is there. The right to equality is one of the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Indian Constitution. Now, which Indian Constitution has guaranteed one of the most important rights? Which is that important right? Right to equality. समानता का अधिकार. हर किसी को समान रूप से देखा जाएगा. In our country, everybody will be treated equally. In our country, in a democratic country. Clear? Clear? Everybody is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Another important function, अब ये तो second important function हो गया, that everybody will be treated equally. And the constitution, क्या important function है constitution का? It guards against the misuse of the authority. This is the second function, guards against the misuse of the authority. The first function was what? First feature क्या था? It provides certain important guidelines which govern the decision making of the society, है ना? Particular guidelines मिल दिया जाता है constitution में, so that everybody has to follow those guidelines. So against misuse of the authority also, it protects us against the misuse of the authority. Then next is another important function that the constitution plays is the democracy is to ensure that dominant group, एक और क्या है? Dominant group does not use its power against others less powerful people or group. You can underline this, that a dominant group means the group which is in the power, जिसके हाथ में power है, that does not means discriminate, or we can say कि वो less powerful group of people पे अपना supremacy नहीं जमाए. This
Ma'am,
also.
your voice is not coming.
Hello.
No, ma'am, your voice clearly.
Those who are not able to hear my voice, please check your device. So now another important function that the constitution plays is in a democracy is to ensure that dominant group does not use its power against others less powerful people or groups. वो अपना power का misuse नहीं करे. किसका misuse? जो powerful group है.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Pooja, check your device, beta. Check your device. So the group which is in the power, that means the powerful people does not
Ma'am, your
misuse.
voice is not coming.
Now, Pooja, be quiet. You are disturbing the class. You have to check your own device. Others are able to hear? Am I audible to others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That means, Pooja, you have to check your device. So the dominant group means जो group power में है, जो powerful group है, वो जो लेस पावरफुल पीपल है, कॉमन पीपल है, उनको वो अपना उनके प्रति अपना मिसयूज पावर का मिसयूज नहीं करे. The storyboard below demonstrates one such situation in the classroom. Now this situation is given to make this important function more clear. Now the games period is about to begin. Let's play basketball today for a change. एक change के लिए basketball play करते हैं. किसने बोला? The girls were saying, no, we will play cricket. Boys were saying that they will play cricket. Now the teacher decides to settle the problem with the show of hands. Now teacher says that those who want to play basketball, they raise the hand up, and with that, hey, hey, we have won, we have won. That means who has won? The boys won, because most of the students raised their hands in favor of playing cricket. Obviously, there are more boys in the class. Why more people were there, more students were there to raise the hands for playing cricket? Playing cricket. Why? Because in the class, boys were more. Because in the class who were more, number of students of boys were more. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all able to hear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so this is a
Yes, ma'am.
classroom. In the classroom now, games period is there, and controversy, conflict between boys and girls is there. Girls wants to play basketball, whereas boys want to play cricket. Uh, then the teacher asks to raise their hand up, the one who wants to play cricket. So what happens? The majority goes with the majority of students raise the hand for the
Boys.
cricket.
Cricket.
Why for the cricket? Because
Because there were more number of boys in the
very
class.
good. There was more
Yes,
number
ma'am.
of boys in the class. So
Mm.
we always have to do what the boys want because they are in the majority. Now girls are saying that they always had to do those work, that type of work only in which boys say yes. Ma'am should think of another way to make decision so that our wishes are also heard. Now girls are saying that uh, ma'am should hear about them also, because by asking about the majority, always the thing is that the boys win because of the number of boys is more, and thus ma'am should take another way to decide for the particular situation. So this is a situation. So in this situation, it is clear that ma'am is what? The teacher is misusing his power.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
On the other hand, boys are also misusing the power. Boys are also misusing the power. How boys are
Yes,
misusing?
ma'am.
Because they are in majority. वो majority में हैं और वो सब yes कर रहे हैं. That is why they are also misusing the power here, boys. So this type of controversy should not means constitutions help us to protect us from this type of situation. कि ये situation arise नहीं हो, कि जो dominant group है, जो majority में group है, वो supremacy हमेशा show नहीं करे. Clear? Such unhealthy situations can occur in a democratic society too, where a majority can continuously enforce decisions that exclude minority and go against their interest. Now, such type of unhealthy situation, अभी जो games की situation हमने देखी, the same situation can be there in a democratic society also. यही same condition democratic society में हो सकती है when the majority of the group, जिस जो ग्रुप मेजोरिटी में है, जिस ग्रुप में नंबर ऑफ पीपल ज्यादा हैं, तो क्या है, हमेशा उन्हीं का डिसीजन माना जाएगा. एंड द people, the group of people who are in minorities means those who are less in number, they will be excluded. Excluded means उनका decision हमेशा overlook किया जाएगा. As the above storyboard illustrate, every society is prone to this training. अब जैसे कि स्टोरी बोर्ड में दिया गया है, every society, this thing happens in every society, and it is prone to this training of the majority. Training means this cruel or unjust use of power. Training means cruel or अनजस्ट यूज ऑफ पावर, एक तरीके से अनजस्ट यूज ही हुआ है पावर का। यहाँ पर जो मेजोरिटी में लोग हैं उन्हीं का बातें मानी जा रही है। सो दिस द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन यूजुअली कंटेन्स रूल्स दैट एंश्योर दैट माइनॉरिटीज आर नॉट एक्सक्लूडेड। अब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या फेवर करता है? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ये फेवर करता है कि द पीपल हु आर इन माइनॉरिटी हमेशा उनको एक्सक्लूड नहीं किया जाए, उनको अलग नहीं देखा जाए, उनको भी इंक्लूड किया जाना चाहिए, उनकी भी बातों को, उनके भी डिसीजन को इंक्लूड किया जाना चाहिए। सो दिस थिंग happens in a constitution when the constitution is there, the democratic country is there, democratic society is there, but then also this situation can arise if proper constitution is not there, if proper rules and regulations नहीं है तो ये condition prevail कर सकती है society में, country में। Clear? That is why constitution is very much important. Another reason why we have a constitution is precisely to prevent this tyranny or domination by the majority of the minority. So the constitution prevents this tyranny. This tyranny means this unequal treatment or injustice of the domination. Of the domination means supremacy of the majority. Majority का जो domination है, majority की बात मानी जाती है, ये सब से हमें बचाती है कौन? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। दिस कैन रेफर टू वन कम्युनिटी dominating another, that is इंटर कम्युनिटी डोमिनेशन। इंटर कम्युनिटी डोमिनेशन, एक कम्युनिटी है, एक कम्युनिटी ऑफ मेंबर्स है, अब उसमें क्या है? उसमें भी डिवीजन है। जो कम मेजोरिटी के लोग हैं उनको किसकी बात माननी पड़ती है? जो ज्यादा मेजोरिटी के, जो ज्यादा नंबर के लोग हैं उनमें। तो हमेशा ये चीज होती है कि अक्सर हमको ये देखने को मिलता है, बट वेयर this is possible when there is no proper rules and regulation, no guidelines to be followed. Thus, the constitution prevents us from this injustice being done. So this is another importance of the constitution, that it prevents the injustice or uncruelty of the domination of the majority of the minority. Clear? एक और ये importance पता लग गया constitution का? Everybody is clear about this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the third significant reason, third significant reason about why we need a constitution is to save us from ourselves. हमें अपने आप को ही हमसे बचाने को ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमें गाइड करता है। Now this, what does this sentence means? That constitution help us to save us from ourselves. This may sound strange, but what is meant by this is that we might at times feel strongly about that might go against our larger interests, and the constitution help us guards against this. Look at the storyboard below to understand this better. Now this, how the constitution save us from ourselves, ये storyboard से एक बार और अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा आपको। Now Shabnam is in a fix, एक तरीके से confusion में, in a fix means एक तरीके से confusion में है Shabnam. She has a decision to make. Now she has to take a decision. I have 2 chapters left to revise for tomorrow's test. Now what is the confusion in Shabnam's mind? That she has to revise 2 chapters for tomorrow's test, but it's time for my favorite TV program. Another thing is, now the time is for favorite TV program also, and she has to revise the 2 chapters also for the test. I am dying to watch it. Means Shabnam wants to watch the TV program also, but if I do not do that, I won't have the time to finish my revision. Now another controversy is there in the mind of a doubt is there, that if she is going to watch its favorite TV show, she will definitely will not be able to finish the revision in time. So this is a doubt, or we can say confusion in the mind of Shabnam. Shabnam, why are you looking so worried? The parents are asking कि why Shabnam is so looking so much worried. क्यों इतनी tense है, क्यों इतनी tension में है, worried है? I want to watch this TV program, but I have the test tomorrow. अब वो क्या कह रही है कि मुझे TV program भी देखना है, but I am having a test also. If you all watch TV, I will also want to watch. अगर आप लोग सब टीवी देखोगे तो मुझे भी टीवी देखने का इच्छा करेगी. I have an idea. What if no one watches TV tonight? Then I may not be tempted. अब वो क्या बोलती है कि आज अगर आप में से कोई भी टीवी नहीं देखेगा तो मे बी पॉसिबल कि मेरा भी मन नहीं करेगा टीवी देखने का. So what does this shows? कि Shabnam itself is in the fix. It is in trouble. She wants her parents also to follow the same. कि वो नहीं देख पाएगी तो मतलब आप भी नहीं देखो. It's good thing I did not watch TV. There are so many questions from the last two chapters. Finally, Shabnam is saying कि जो last chapter था उससे काफी questions आए एग्जाम में और वो अपने आप को कह रही है, अपने आप से बात कर रही है. It is good that she did not watch the TV. Now, similarly, the Constitution helps to protect us against certain decisions that we might take that could have an adverse effect on the larger principles that country believes in. That means, अब Constitution हमें help करता है. किसका help करता है? For the certain decisions for ourselves, whatever decisions we want to take for ourselves, for the benefit of ourselves. वो डिसीजंस माइट बी लार्जर ग्रुप, दूसरे लोगों के लिए वो बेनिफिशियल नहीं हो सकता है. माइट बी जो आज हम अपने लिए डिसीजन ले रहे हैं वो दूसरे ग्रुप के लिए या पूरे दूसरे लोगों के लिए, दूसरे क्लासमेट्स के लिए या जो भी और कम्युनिटी में मेंबर रह रहे हैं उनके लिए वो अच्छा नहीं साबित हो. सो इस के लिए क्या है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमें इस कंट्रोवर्सी से, इस कंफ्यूजन से, इस टेंशन से भी हमें बचाता है. That is why it is said that the Constitution save us from ourselves. Means गलत डिसीजन लेने से हमें बचाता है. हमारे लिए हम गलत डिसीजन लें उसलिए भी हमें Constitution बचाता है. If it is possible that many people who live in a democracy might come to strongly feel that party politics has become so acrimonious that we need a stronger dictator to set this right. Now party politics बहुत क्या हो गया, एक तरीके से वायलेंट हो गया है और ये एक तरीके से स्ट्रॉन्ग डिक्टेटर चाहिए उनको, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सनैलिटी चाहिए उनकी कंट्री को रूल करने के लिए. Swept by this emotion that they may not realize that it is long run dictatorial rule goes against all their interest. अब वो एक तरीके से ये नहीं देखते हैं कि अगर डिक्टेटोरियल रूल मीन्स रूल ऑफ वन पर्सन, डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है, लोगों को रिप्रेजेंट करने का मौका नहीं दिया जाएगा, वोट करने का अधिकार छीन लिया जाएगा और पावर किसके हैंड में आ जाएगा, एक ही पर्सन के हाथ में आ जाएगा और वो उसका मिसयूज करेगा बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम नो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन विल बी देयर. तो ये लार्ज लॉन्ग रन पे ही अपना डिसीजन एकदम से तो ले लेते हैं कि चलो हम ऐसा करते हैं, बट माइट बी that particular decision which is taken is not good enough. Now we will continue.